Hi, so here is the Earth structure test. Which best describes Earth's inner core? Mark only one oval. Hot liquid layer that causes convection to occur in the mantle. Dense solid ball made of iron and nickel. The layer of the Earth that is thin and rigid under the least pressure. Number two, which best describes the upper part of the mantle? Just below the lithosphere, mark only one oval. The crust and uppermost mantle, hard and rigid. The solid, dense ball of iron and nickel. Or plastic layer that flows slowly. Number three, what happens to temperature and pressure as it gets deeper into the Earth? Mark only one oval. Temperature increases, but pressure decreases. Temperature and pressure both increase or go up. Temperature and pressure both decrease or go down. Number four, how do we know the makeup of Earth's interior layers? For example, the mantle is solid, but the outer core is liquid. How do we know that? Mark only one oval. By digging to the mantle, by drilling to the center of the Earth, by studying how earthquake waves, seismic waves, travel through the Earth. Number five, how do the oceanic crust and the continental crust differ? Check all that apply. The oceanic crust is thinner. The oceanic crust is thicker. The oceanic crust is more dense. Number six, the lithosphere is broken up into plates that move because of, mark only one oval, convection currents in the asthenosphere, volcanic activity, Earth's increasing size. Number seven, which best describes the mantle? Mark only one oval. The thinnest layer of the Earth, rigid and brittle. Where convection currents occur, thickest layer of the Earth. Solid, dense ball of iron and nickel. Number eight, check the boxes that describe the outer core. Check all that apply. Plastic layer, made of mostly iron and nickel. Thickest layer, dense ball. Liquid layer, where convection occurs. Hottest layer. Remember, this is all about the outer core. Outer core. Check the boxes that describe the mantle. Check all that apply. The thinnest layer, the thickest layer, a dense ball, the liquid layer, where convection occurs, the hottest layer. Number 10, check the boxes that describe the inner core. Check all that apply. Made of iron and nickel, thickest layer, dense ball, liquid layer, where convection occurs, hottest layer. Number 11, the lithosphere is made up of one solid piece of rock. Mark only one oval. True or false? Number 12, the oceanic crust is thicker than the continental crust we live on. Mark only one oval. True, false? Number 13, what two factors affect the amount of gravitational pull between two objects? Mark only one oval. Mass and distance, density and pressure, volume and area. Number 14, The inner core of the Earth is made of, mark only one oval, solid limestone, solid iron and nickel metals, broken up pieces of crust. Number 15, which specific layer do convection currents take place in? Mark only one oval, the asthenosphere, the lithosphere, the outer core. So what specific layer do convection currents take place in? 16. Which of the Earth's systems involves all the living things on Earth? Mark only one oval. The geosphere, the biosphere, or the atmosphere? Which of Earth's systems involves all the ponds and rivers and streams and oceans on Earth? The geosphere, the hydrosphere, or the atmosphere? Number 18. Which of Earth's systems involves all of Earth's layers and how the plates move? The geosphere, the hydrosphere, or the biosphere? Number 19. Which best describes the lithosphere? Mark only one oval. The crust and uppermost mantle hard and rigid, where convection currents occur, the thickest layer? Or is the lithosphere a solid, dense ball of iron and nickel? Which describes how the Earth's layers formed? Number 20. Mark only one oval. Did the density pull the least dense material to the center? Gravity pulled the most dense material to the center? The sun's heat caused the interior of the Earth to heat up? And that's your final question.